How to add video effects in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the Filmmaker Pro app on your device and select the video you want to edit. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on the effects option from the top right corner. You will now see different categories of video effects such as glitch, shake, vintage, film, and many more. Browse through the list and tap on each effect to preview how it looks on your video. Once you find the effect you like, tap the tick mark to apply it. You can also adjust the duration of the effect based on your editing style. If needed, you can split your clip and apply different effects to different parts of your video for a more creative touch. After adding and adjusting the effects, play your video to review the changes. If you are satisfied with the result, save or export your video. Now you know how to add video effects in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.